Scrolling through web these days can feel like walking through a crowded city. You pass dozens of websites, but only a few truly catch your eye. And that's the magic of creative web design, turning casual scrollers into engaging visitors. But here is a kicker. Creating a memorable website isn't just about flashy effects, it's about making thoughtful psychological design choices. And with tools like Divi, creative web design is easier than ever before. So in this video, we are diving into the world of creative web design, discussing the tips, challenges, and how Divi can elevate your design game. So if all that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. My name is Ankit and you're watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi Visual Builder. Now, a memorable website doesn't just look good, they make us feel something, whether it's excitement, curious, or trust. That emotional response is carefully crafted using design psychology. Our brains love patterns, but they light up when these patterns break in an interesting way, like that pop of orange in minimal design or seamless scroll on portfolio sites. So these aren't just by accident, and tools like Divi make it easy to implement these psychological principles with the inbuilt feature of responsive design and interactive elements. Now let's talk about essentials. Every stunning website shares some core elements: white spaces, grids, color schemes, and typography. Now white spaces isn't wasted space. It helps guide attention and makes content digestible. A well-crafted grid system brings order without stiffing creativity. And the right color palette sets the emotional tone for your entire website. Now with Divi, you don't have to be an expert website designer to get all these elements right. The platform offers pre-built layouts and grid systems that are fully customizable. Whether you want to go minimal or colorful, Divi's drag and drop interface gives you full creative control. Now on the flip side, poor design choices can cost you both user experience and conversions. Too many effects, cluttered layout, and unclear navigation turns your visitors away fast from your website. If a website feels too busy or overwhelming, people won't stick around. And with that, Divi helps you avoid these pitfalls with their streamlined design process. You can experiment with effects without slowing down your site or overwhelming your audience, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable user experience. Now, Divi is more than just a website builder. It's a powerful design tool that makes creative web design accessible to everyone, from freelancers to agencies. Divi allows you to create stunning professional websites without touching a line of code. The drag and drop builder, along with thousands of templates and modules, makes creating a unique website design easier than ever before. You want a responsive design? Done. Want to add animation and interactions? Done. You want SEO-ready layouts? Divi got you covered. Its versatility makes it a perfect tool for anyone looking to build a creative and memorable website, no matter what your skill level is. Now, even with the best tools, creative web design comes with challenges. Maintaining consistency across devices, managing performance, and ensuring user-friendly experience can be tough. How do you make sure that all of your site works flawlessly on mobile, tablet, and desktop? Divi helps you tackle these challenges heads-on. With responsive design settings, you can customize how your site's going to look on every screen size, ensuring a perfect user experience everywhere. Ready to go beyond basics? Then creative web design doesn't stop at looking good. It's about adding extra flair that leaves users wanting more. From micro interactions that guide your audience to advanced animations that engage, Divi lets you push the boundaries of what's possible. With Divi, you can integrate custom CSS or even more advanced designs while still leveraging the ease of Divi's interface. It's about balancing innovation with functionality. So at the end of the day, creative web design is about intention. Every color, every element, every interaction should serve a purpose. Whether you are building a portfolio, a business site, or a creative blog, Divi equips you with the right tools to design like you mean it. So if you are ready to elevate your web design game and create a website that turns head, make sure you give Divi a try. Your next creative masterpiece is just a click away. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more WordPress and Divi updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.